How to remove Google search bar from bottom of screen on Android. This tutorial shows you how to delete the Google search widget from your home screen for a cleaner look. First, locate the Google search bar on your home screen at the bottom. Next, tap and hold on the Google search bar for a few seconds. Following that, a menu will appear or the search bar will become movable. Now, look for a remove option at the top of the screen. Moving forward, drag the search bar upwards towards the remove icon. Afterwards, you'll see the remove button highlighted or a trash icon appear. In addition to that, release your finger to drop the search bar onto the remove option. Once you've done this, the Google search bar will disappear from your home screen. Subsequently, your home screen will now have more space without the search widget. Moreover, if the drag method doesn't work, try tapping Remove from the pop-up menu. Afterwards, you can always add the search bar back by long pressing an empty area. Then, select Widgets from the home screen customization menu. Within this section, scroll to find Google Widgets and drag the search bar back. Alternatively, some Android launchers may have different methods to remove widgets. Once the search bar is removed, your home screen looks cleaner and more organized. Then, you can still access Google Search through the Google app or browser. Afterwards, customize your home screen further by adding other widgets you prefer. Then, enjoy your simplified home screen without the Google search bar at the bottom. And that's it! If this tutorial helped you remove the Google search bar from your Android screen, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one!